Let me ask you a question that most people never ask themselves. Who are you? Not your name, not your job, not your Instagram bio, but who are you when nobody's watching? Because until you can answer that honestly, you can't grow. You can't build value. You can't even live on your own terms. Self-awareness is the first step to self-worth. If you don't understand yourself, how can you expect the world to value you? This video is not about motivation. Self-awareness is the ability to see yourself clearly, without ego, without denial, without filters. It's knowing why you do what you do, what triggers your emotions, what values you actually live by, not just talk about, what habits are silently killing your growth. Most people walk through life thinking they know themselves. But here's the deal. You cannot set real goals without self-awareness. Build discipline without knowing your internal resistance. Handle relationships well if you don't understand your emotional patterns. Most people set goals based on what they see others doing, not what truly fits. Let's do a practical exercise right now. Grab a notebook. Create 2 columns. Column A, strengths. Column B, weaknesses. Where do you shine naturally? What habits hold you back? What do people trust you with? Where do you feel guilt, shame, or avoidance? What energizes you? What drains you? Now go deeper. What beliefs are driving your daily choices? Are they empowering you or limiting you? This isn't about judgment. It's about truth. You can't fix what you refuse to face. Let me drop a truth bomb. Most people confuse their self-worth with their social worth. Likes, titles, follower counts, job descriptions, that's all external. None of that is you. Your real identity is internal. It's built from your values under pressure, your integrity when no one's watching, your decisions in moments of chaos. Internal identity, external validation. Until your inner world is stable, no amount of praise or popularity will give you peace. Don't build a life that looks good. Build a life that feels good. Self-awareness also means facing your shadows. And yes, that's uncomfortable, but it's necessary. Everyone has toxic traits, hidden insecurities, emotional patterns from childhood, pain they've ignored. Here's the difference between winners and everyone else. Winners confront their flaws. Everyone else avoids them. You can't grow out of what you won't admit exists. Try this. Ask 3 honest people in your life. What's one thing I do that holds me back? If you can listen without defending, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Journaling isn't just writing your thoughts. It's how you excavate your identity. Here are 5 powerful prompts to write every morning or night. What emotion did I feel most today? Why? What drained me and what energized me? What fear stopped me from doing something I wanted? Where did I act out of habit instead of intention? What did I pretend not to know about myself? Awareness is the first step. Honesty is the second. Change is the third. Use these prompts every day for 30 days, and you won't recognize yourself a month from now. The world is loud. That's why you can't hear your inner voice. Try this challenge. Sit in total silence for 10 minutes every morning. No phone, no music, just you, your breath, and your thoughts. At first, it'll feel awkward, then uncomfortable, and then truth will rise. You'll start to hear the voice of clarity, the ideas buried under noise, the real desires you've been suppressing. Your best ideas, your deepest truths, they live in silence. Here are tools that will transform how you understand yourself. Tool purpose, journaling daily thought clarity. Meditation, emotional regulation, plus inner peace. Therapy, deep subconscious pattern work. Mindfulness awareness in the moment. Personality tests, MBTI, Enneagram, insight into patterns. Self-recorded voice notes, self-dialogue analysis. But remember, tools don't work unless you're consistent. No tool will save you from yourself. You have to do the work. Story 1. A corporate executive who journaled for 90 days. Discovered he was chasing promotions to impress a father who never showed up. He left the job, started teaching, and now says he's finally alive. Story 2. A student who did 10 minutes of silence daily for 3 months. Realized she was majoring in a subject she didn't care about. Switched paths, found purpose, Story 3, me and you. Every time we get brutally honest with ourselves, we level up. Even if it hurts, growth follows. People think personality is permanent. It's not. You're allowed to evolve. You're allowed to change. But you must choose to. You are not your past. You are your potential. The more you understand yourself, the more power you have to rewrite your future. Self-awareness is the blueprint. It shows you what to stop doing, what to start doing, and what to never do again.